In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a personal book recommendation system with AI in Notion. Open Notion and go straight to your main dashboard. On the left sidebar, find My Book Library and click it to open your book database. This is the table where your books already live, along with details like genre, rating, and review. We're going to add an AI-powered column that reads those details and generates personalized recommendations for each book. At the top of the table, move to the far right side of your column headers and click the plus button. In the menu that appears, click to add a new property. From the property type options, choose text. As soon as that new text column appears in your database, click the name of that column header to open its settings. In the menu that pops up, look for Setup AI Autofill and click it. You'll see a quick option for Summary. Click Summary, then Continue so the setup is saved. After that, go back to the property type list and choose AI Autofill. Now we're turning this plain text field into a generated recommendation field. Click into the property name field and type Similar Books. Take a second here to enter it clearly, Similar, then a space, then Books. This will be the column where Notion writes tailored suggestions for every title in your library. Now move down to the prompt field labeled What to Generate. Click into that box and type the full instruction carefully so Notion knows exactly what to create. Type, based on this book's genre, my rating, and my review, suggest 3 similar books I might enjoy with a one-line reason for each. As you type that, keep the pacing natural. Start with, based on this book's genre, then add a comma. Continue with my rating and my review, then another comma. After that, type, suggest 3 similar books I might enjoy, and finish with a one-line reason for each. This prompt is important because it tells Notion AI to use your own reading preferences, not just the book title. Once the prompt is in place, click Save Changes. Now give Notion a moment to work. You'll start to see the Similar Books column filling in across your rows. Notion AI is generating personalized recommendations for each book based on the genre, your rating, and your review for that specific entry. This part is where the system becomes useful, because each row gets its own custom output instead of one generic reading list. When the generation finishes, start reviewing the results. Click any book row to open it as a full page. Inside that page, scroll down until you find the Similar Books property. You should see 3 suggested books, each with a short explanation of why it matches your taste. Read through them and check whether the suggestions feel aligned with what you liked or disliked in the original book. After reviewing one entry, go back to your table. You can press back in your browser, or click My Book Library in the breadcrumb at the top of the page to return to the database view. Once you're back in the table, find the Similar Books column and drag its right edge outward to widen it. That makes more of each recommendation visible without opening every row one by one, which is helpful when you want to scan your library quickly. At this point, every book in your database now has its own tailored recommendations based on genre, your rating, and your review. So the core system is done. You've turned a normal Notion reading tracker into a personal recommendation engine. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's add one more useful layer with Notion AI Chat so you can ask for an overall reading recommendation across your whole library. Open the AI Chat panel by pressing Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on Mac. A chat box will appear, ready for a prompt. Click into the message field and type this carefully. Based on all the books in My Book Library, their genres, ratings, and my reviews, what should I read next and why? Say it naturally as you type. Begin with, based on all the books in. Then type the @ symbol followed by My Book Library. After that, continue with their genres, ratings, and my reviews. Then finish with, what should I read next and why? The reason we use My Book Library is that it tells Notion to reference your actual database as context for the answer. As soon as you type the @ symbol, a drop-down will appear with pages and databases you can mention. From that list, select My Book Library. Make sure the database reference is inserted properly into the prompt, because that's what lets Notion analyze your stored book data instead of guessing. Once the prompt looks right, press Enter to send it. Give Notion a few seconds to process everything. It will look across the books in your library, consider the genres you tracked, compare your ratings, read the tone of your reviews, and then suggest what you should read next with an explanation. This gives you a higher-level recommendation on top of the book-by-book Similar Books column you already created. When the response appears, read through it and compare it to the row-level suggestions in your table. The chat answer is useful when you want one best next read recommendation, while the similar books column is better when you want alternatives tied to each specific title. Together, those two features create a complete personal book recommendation system inside Notion. And that's it. You've successfully built a personal book recommendation system with AI in Notion. You can now keep adding new books, updating your ratings and reviews, and letting Notion generate smarter recommendations over time.